architecture that cuts your LAN CapEx budget by 50%. Would you be interested? What if the same architecture could save you 75% on OpEx over the long term? Does this sound intriguing? If you are seeking to evolve your wired enterprise network to increase security, simplify network management, and deliver savings, it's time to take a closer look at the new passive optical LAN architectures from Motorola. By design, the passive optical LAN network building block is much larger than traditional networking. The building block for passive optical LAN measures 15 miles, in contrast to a traditional network's 300 feet. Enterprise networks in high-rise buildings, large office parks, or campus environments require replicating multiple access layer switches and multiple distribution switches. With a passive optical LAN, the network requires one piece of equipment to manage an entire building or enterprise campus. Motorola has introduced passive optical LAN solutions that are designed and deployed to simplify the network by reducing the number of overall active components and creating an architecture that is easy to deploy, manage, and maintain, allowing strained IT resources to focus on growing their business without growing their network complexity. Whether a company is upgrading an existing LAN network or is building a new location for the enterprise, passive optical LAN networking offers guaranteed delivery of data from all endpoints and true quality of service.
Companies today that should look at Motorola's passive optical LAN solution are really any company looking to responsibly evolve their network infrastructure. Companies that are trying to simplify their networks and add more capabilities for their users while reducing things like power, space, cooling that they have in their building designs. They can all benefit from the use of Motorola's passive optical LAN solutions.
The Motorola Enterprise Aggregation Switch is deployed within the Enterprise Data Center. With advanced Quick Connect optics, the Enterprise Aggregation Switch establishes service by linking directly to the subscriber workgroup terminal via a passive optical LAN. Once the passive optical LAN is in place, the subscriber workgroup terminal is deployed using Quick Connect optics, and service is established. The Motorola passive optical LAN solution is highly scalable and can easily support small, medium, or large enterprise networks and campus applications. The Motorola passive optical LAN portfolio includes the Enterprise Aggregation Switch and Subscriber Workgroup terminals, all powered through Access Vision, Motorola's simple and highly graphical system interface. For a traditional architecture to support 7,000 users, it would take multiple racks of equipment spread across a large campus environment and require highly skilled resources to manage and maintain them. Motorola's passive optical LAN is deployed within an existing data center and directly supports more than 7,000 users with a single efficient chassis. Traditional architectures require specialized, costly cooling systems. The Access 1800 is an environmentally responsible platform that is streamlined and energy efficient. Traditional architectures require cabling that is miles long and thick enough to wrap your arms around. Leveraging fiber, the Enterprise Aggregation Switch can serve users at distances of up to 20 kilometers, which greatly simplifies deployment and operation.
Passive optical networking enables other Motorola solutions simply by giving a medium that ensures delivery of data to other Motorola devices, such as wireless and the voice over IP phone. Many customers want to go to the next generation of wireless, increase their throughputs and also their coverage footprint within their corporations, and yet can't do it because of the current wired networking of today.
Motorola has been offering enterprise solutions to its customers for many years. Now we're adding into our portfolio the passive optical LAN solutions that will help operators begin to migrate their enterprise solutions to keep up with current technology.
Motorola has years of experience making passive optical networking, years of experience doing enterprise wireless LAN. You put the two together and it's creating enterprise networking that's a quantum leap ahead of traditional networking. It enables the customer to buy the networks they're looking for tomorrow, today.
Take the quantum leap forward. Contact your Motorola representative for details.